been learning French for 3 years, and it wasn't until last year that I actually started to understand spoken French and started to improve my listening comprehension skills. And these are the things that I have learned so far. Based on my experience, there are 3 things that happen when you struggle with listening comprehension in French. 1, you cannot hear the words that are being spoken. In that case, I think you need to become more familiar with spoken contractions because that's usually the culprit in this case. 2, you can hear the words but you don't know what they mean. In that case, you need to work on deepening your vocabulary. 3, you hear the words, you know what they mean, but you don't understand the sentence. In that case, you need to stop, take a break, revisit the question or revisit the sentence and try to break it down. Or you may also need to do additional research because French grammar is tricky and there are sometimes you literally cannot translate word for word and you won't be able to understand what is being said. There are some other tips that you can use to help in this area as well. For one thing, you can read more. If you want to learn specific vocabulary for a specific topic, then you read more articles on that specific topic. Whenever you're watching videos or you're listening to anything, listen and read subtitles as you go along. This will help you to hear and see what the words look like so that you can make a correlation between what the word sounds like and what it looks like, and that will help you to pick up the words and the pronunciation much easier. Listen at a slower speed and then speed it up as you go along. You can do this by either changing the speed in YouTube, or you can just find other YouTube videos that have a slower pace whenever the persons are speaking. Read whatever you're going to listen to at first to get an idea of what is going to be said, and then listen to it afterwards. That way you'll be more familiar with the words and you know exactly what you're listening for. Something else that really helps as well is to listen to the same piece of audio over and over again until you understand everything that is being said in that video. I hope these help. Happy learning!